Once LED devices are added to the Azoula app, they can be named according to their location for easy management and use. Click on the light to turn it off and identify its location. You can see it as the first light. Long press to enter the device page. Click the Edit button. Name. Let's name it 01. When you are done, go back. Turn this light off and you can see that it is the 8th. Name it 08. This lamp is the 7th. Name it 07. Similarly, rename all devices. You can also name them according to area and location. For example, the lights in the kitchen are named Kitchen 01, Kitchen 02, to make it easier to use them. Done. Now you can quickly find and control them in the order of their position. For example, turn off the lights one by one. Turn on the lights one by one. Next, we'll set up the zones, which will be easy since we've already named them.